Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn the first few letters. Fa, like F in fun. Fa, like F in fun. Off, deep K from back of throat, no exact English match. K, like K in kite. K, like K in kite. Lamb, like L in love. Lamb, like L in love. I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it. Fa is the first letter in the word elephant in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word elephant is written below the rectangle. Fil, 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 fil. Qaf is the first letter in the word moon in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word moon is written below the rectangle. Qamar, qamar, qamar. Kaf is the first letter in the word book in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word book is written below the rectangle. Kitab, kitab, kitab. Lam is the first letter in the word lemon in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word lemon is written below the rectangle. Laymun, laymun, laymun. Training. Now, we will take some practice on the previous letters. Elephant, fill. Elephant, fill. Elephant, fill. Moon, qamar. Moon, qamar. Moon, qamar. Book, kitab. Book, kitab. Book, kitab. Laymun, laymun, laymun. Well done! In the next lesson, we will learn some more letters, so study well and work hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so that everyone can benefit.